Watermelon strength competition.
We got.
You've been trying to break this watermelon for a minute. Oh, that's how you used to do it. Let me try. Try that.
Alright, too much stuff on my hands.
What are you doing?
Mara, give me a towel. Oh.
Oh, she's got one.
She does have a towel.
Nice job, Marley. Alright, mine had a little more meat on it. Let's see what you got. Go. HGH. Power bars. Oh, my nose all jammed up. We got a man's about to get squirted on. Oh shit.
Oh, no.
That's terrible.